Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions related to JEE Advanced pattern. Clear? As I told you earlier, this is one of the simplest chapter and the question is completely based on theory and based on memory. Now let's start with the question. Now it's your turn. You have to reply the basic component of smog. As I told you earlier, that is smog is the combination of smog plus fog. Am I right? Yes sir. And as I know, the basic component of smog is PEN, polyacrylonitrile. What I'm telling friend, the basic component of smog is PEN, polyacrylonitrile. So single option correct type question. So for this, the A is the correct option. Clear? Now friend, I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. The next one is question number 2. Ozone depletion is due to the formation of which of the following compound? Tell me. Ozone depletion is due to the formation of SO2, SO3, carbon dioxide. No, there is no such impact. Then that is peroxyacetyl nitrite. Do you remember? I have discussed all the reaction related to this question during my theory lecture. So ozone depletion, and what is the prime cause of ozone depletion? Due to the presence of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon. So for ozone depletion is due to the formation of which of the following compound? So it's very simple, that is peroxyacetyl nitrate. That is B is the correct option. So for question number 2, B is the correct option. Now friend, let's move to the next section, next segment. Now the next segment is question 3. Which of the following does not contribute towards the formation of photochemical smog? Tell me what will happen in this case. NO, SO2, O3 and hydrocarbon. As I told you, there are two types of smog, classical smog and photochemical smog. And in the formation of photochemical smog, which one is not involved? Sir, the option is B, that is SO2 is not involved. Clear? Now friend, wait for a moment. Let's move to the next question. Supersonic jets cause pollution by thinning of. As we know, supersonic jet causes pollution by thinning, that is O3 layer, ozone layer. Due to this reason, maximum it is advised to minimize the uses of supersonic jets. As I told you earlier, if there is an increment in the quantity of oxygen layer, that is good, because it ultimately increases the thickness of the UV protected layer, that is the ozone layer. But if there is a decrement in the ozone layer, reduction in the ozone layer, then what will happen? Sir, it will create the ozone hole. What I'm telling, it will create the ozone hole. Due to this reason, the ultraviolet radiation will enter into the atmosphere. Maximum time I am stressing, I am giving much more attention on such type of question which include ozone layer, which include chlorofluorocarbon and which include accident, because maximum number of questions are asked from these topics. And one more topic I am going to include, that is smog. Maximum number of questions are asked from these few topics only. So you have to focus on what I am telling. Ozone, that is depletion of ozone, causes of depletion of ozone layer. Then you have to focus on the smog, formation of smog, types of smog, then that is the third one what I'm telling, that is the acid rain, causes of acid rain. These are the few topics which include maximum number of question related to the JEE mains as well as JEE advanced examination. Clear friend? So for this question, that is supersonic jet causes pollution by thinning of O3 layer, ozone layer. So for question number 4, D is the correct option. Now friend, let's move to the next section. Now, question number 5. Cracking of rubber is caused due to? Tell me, acid rain, soot or smog? Sir, it's very simple question. The cracking of rubber is due to smog, due to smog. So for question number 5, C is the correct explanation. Clear friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll move towards the next segment, and the next segment is question number 6. The gases which are responsible for photochemical smog. What I'm telling? The gases which are responsible for photochemical smogs. Tell me, what is the option in this case? Photochemical smog. As I told you earlier, the responsible gas for photochemical smog, the generally oxide of nitrogen. Do you remember? For this, A is the correct option. If I take it as a multiple choice type question, then hydrocarbon is also possible. But if only one option correct, that is the question option number A is correct. And if I talk about the multiple choice question, that is A and B, maybe maybe, or you can say that is the correct answer. Clear to you? So let's move to the question number 7. The following process occur in troposphere. Which process occur in troposphere? Tell me friend. It's your turn. I am giving you few seconds. The following process occur in troposphere: photosynthesis, combustion, greenhouse effect, or acid rain. Clear to you friend? I am giving you few seconds to think of it. It is one of the best question. Look at what I am telling. Think on it. So what is the correct option? That is the following process which occur in the troposphere, that is photosynthesis possible, combustion possible, greenhouse effect possible, and acid rain also possible. Clear to you? So this is a multiple choice type question. For this question, we know that is in troposphere, that is the option photosynthesis can happen, that is combustion may happen, that is greenhouse effect may happen, and that acid rain may happen. So for this question, we people can say the all option are correct, that is A, B, C and D. This is a multiple choice type question. Now let's move to the next question. What the next question says here: match the list 1 and list 2 and pick the correct matching. Now tell me what will happen. Peroxyacetyl nitrate, tell me, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Tell me what will happen. As I told you earlier, if there is a peroxyacetyl nitrate, then it has a option that is photochemical smog. So for question number A, third is the correct option. So definitely B and D is not a correct option. Yes sir, pardon. B, this one is B and D is not a correct option. So now we have to pick A and C because A has 3 and C also AH3. Now check out the B. For B, that is polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Clear to you? Then there comes polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, that is for this 4 is the correct option. Clear to you? So for B, 4 is the correct option, but here is given word dye, 5th is the correct option. So by looking at this, we can say for this A is the correct option. Now what is the actual matching? I am moving here. That is, if I talk about peroxyacetyl nitrate, that is for this 3 is the correct option. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, that is 4 is the correct option. That is dioxins, that is 1 is the correct option here. And if I talk about that is indigo, that is the word dye, that is the 5th is the correct option. And if I talk about the IR, infrared active molecules, that is global warming. Infrared, that is active molecules. So this is the correct option. 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 5 and 2. This is one of the best question, this is one of the best question from my side for JEE 2019. Clear to you what I'm telling, friend? For peroxyacetyl acid, 3 is the correct option. For B, 4 is the correct option. For C, 1 is the correct option. For D, 5 is the correct option. And for E, second is the correct option. So overall, we can say A is the correct option. Clear to you, friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next segment. Wait for a moment. Now let's move to the next question. What is the next question? The following reaction occur in a stratosphere. As we know, in a stratosphere there is a formation of ozone layer take place. There is an existence of ozone layer. Now what happens? The main component, first of all we take oxygen, then this oxygen in presence of H mu, it gives you O plus O. Now this O further combine and gives O3. Now check out the reaction. This is O2 plus UB, O plus O. O2 plus O is equal to O3 definitely. Now Cl, that is, this comes from chlorofluorocarbon plus O3, which gives ClO, and this reaction is free radical mechanism. So for this is not a reaction, this is the acid rain. So for this question, what is the correct option? So A, B and C. This is also a multiple choice type question. Clear to you, friend? A, B and C. Now wait for a moment. Let's move to the next question. The next question is passage type question. Clear to you? Read the question carefully. It is given here, that is a photochemical smog, nitric oxide. Now watch the reaction carefully. I have taken this question. Why? Because it is just a revision type, that is the photochemical smog. 2NO plus O2, which gives 2NO2. NO2 in presence of sunlight, it gives NO plus active oxygen, you can say nascent oxygen, and oxygen plus O2, that is O3. That is in photochemical exposure, there is an involvement but ozone, NO. Clear to you? Now what is given here? Both NO2 and O3 are strong oxidizing agent, we people know, and react with unburnt hydrocarbon, that is there is also involvement of hydrocarbon also in the polluted air to produce formaldehyde, definitely acrolein and peroxyacetyl nitrate. Pardon, during my pardon, one more thing I have to mention here. During my numerical section, during my question answer round, the full form of pen mistakenly, that is I have taken polyacrylonitrile. So better to explain here, that is peroxyacetyl nitrite. Clear to you? So written in your memory, that is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Clear? So check it out. you will get the answer. Now, these products are harmful to the plant and animal life. Catalytic converters are now installed in the automobile to reduce the photochemical smog. Yes, to reduce the photochemical smog. What we use in catalytic converter during my lecture section, during my lecture and during my question answer round, I have discussed that is palladium is used as PD. Palladium is used as a in automobiles, that is used as a catalytic converter. Now, photochemical smog can also be suppressed by certain compound which act as a during my lecture section, during my numerical section, I have also told, I have also discussed about this topic also, that is which is suppressed by photochemical smog is suppressed by the free radical trap. Do you remember this? So by observing this passage we can get 3 questions, that is PEN. What is the main component here? I have discussed during peroxyacetyl nitrite. Second one is catalytic converter, as I told, that is palladium, and third one is free radical trap. So this passage is one of the important passage. As I told you earlier, few topics related to this chapters are very much important. What are the topics? As I told, again I am repeating. So that is the smog, formation of smog, types of smog, then ozone, depletion of ozone layer, acid rain. These are the main important topic related to environmental chemistry, and actually maximum number of questions are asked from this topic only. Clear? One more thing, that is CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. Now let's move to the next segment, that is the questions. Now, what are the primary constituents of photochemical smog? As I told you, the primary constituents SO2, as I told you, there is an involvement of nitrogen oxide, there is an involvement of ozone, there is an involvement of hydrocarbon. Now check it out, sir, SO2 and CO, not NO2 and hydrocarbons. Yes, this is NO2 and hydrocarbon involvement. Look at the passage, read it again. NO2, that is NO2, and there is also, look at NO2, O3, then unburnt hydrocarbons in the polluted to produce what they produce, formaldehyde and PEN and acrolein. Clear? Now let's move to the next. Photochemical transformation of automobile exhaust emission in UV wavelength of sunlight result in the formation, as again simple, that is O3 and PEN. Clear? So for question number 2, B is the correct option. If you read the passage carefully, then definitely you can solve the each and every question related to the passage. Now let's move to the question number 3, that is smog is common pollutant in places having. Tell me what will happen, sir, when a smog is a common pollutant having high temperature. What I'm telling, having high temperature. As I told you, smog comes from smoke plus fog. Clear? Now next question. Photochemical smog formed in congested metropolitan cities, especially Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, cities mainly consist of, tell me, as I told you, again read the passage carefully, read what I'm telling, that is NO2, O3, hydrocarbons, that are the main constituent. So what is the answer? Read again. Photochemical smog formed in congested metropolitan city mainly consist of hydrocarbons, SO2, CO2, no. Hydrocarbon, ozone and SO2, no. In this case, ozone, PEN, peroxynitride and NOx, oxide of nitrogen. So C is the correct option. So for question number 4, C is the correct option. I think now you can easily solve such kind of questions. It's so easy, and for this chapter you need more and more practice. Now we review the question again. Now check it out. Tell me now what is the answer of first question, sir. PEN. Second, that is ozone depletion is due to the formation of which of the following compound? As I told you, tell me, ozone depletion due to the formation of which of the following compound? That is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Now, next one, which of the following does not contribute towards the formation of photochemical smog? NO3 hydrocarbon are component, SO2 is not a component. Last question, memorize. Now, supersonic jet cause pollution by thinning of O2 layer? No sir, D is the correct option. So for this, ozone layer, O3 layer. Now let's move to the question number 5. As I told you, cracking of rubber is caused due to acid rain, smog. Smog comes from smog plus fog. What? Now let's move to the question number 6. Tell me the answer. Look at, if I take it as a multiple choice type question, then the gases which are responsible for photochemical smogs, the main gases is oxide of nitrogen, hydrocarbon. In many book it is also given carbon monoxide, but the best option, that is oxides of nitrogen and hydrocarbons. Clear to you? Now let's move to the question number 7. The following process occur in the troposphere. In troposphere, we people know there is a photosynthesis take place, combustion take place, greenhouse effect take place, and acid rain also take place. So for this question, A, B, C, D are the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 8. This is one of the best question. What was the option? For A, third is the correct option. For B, what is 4 is the correct option. For C, 1 is the correct option. For D, that is indigo what dye, 5 is the correct option. And for E, second is the correct option. So for overall, that is A is the correct option as I discussed. Now let's move to the next question. What is, as I know, as I discussed during my lecture, as I discussed earlier, as I discussed now, the reaction is O2 plus UV, O plus O, O2 plus O, it gives O3, then Cl plus O3, ClO, free radical mechanism here. So for this, ABC is the correct option. Clear, friend? Now let's move to the next question. This is the question. As I told you, what is the full form of pen? Revise it again. By mistake, I have told the other form. So this is the form, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Pen, you have to focus on this catalytic converter PD, and you have to focus on this, again I am repeating, free radical trap. Remember? Now what is the option? So for this case, B is the correct option. NO2 plus hydrocarbon, what is the option in this case? In this case, sir, B is the correct option. O3 and pen. Now again, for this case, smog is a common pollutant, that is A. High temperature photochemical smog formed in congested metropolitan city mainly consist of ozone, peroxyacetyl nitrate, and oxide of nitrogen. Clear to you? I think now you can easily solve. Now friend, time to say bye bye. We'll meet again with a new chapter. Thank you so much.